Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video we will be learning about Django framework, how to create a project in Django, and after creating a project how to launch it. So first of all, to create a project in Django, what you need to do is first of all you have to check whether the Django is being correctly installed in your system. So in order to check which version Django which version of Django is currently installed in your PC, you can write this command. So I have Django currently installed 3.2.4. Now once you have verified that you have Django installed in your system, to create a new project you have to write Django admin and start project and then the name of the project. So once you do that, Django creates a project for you and the name of the project must be name of the project, right? In my case I have created a project with name my app, right? So if I hit enter here, then my app would have been created, but I have already created this project in my system. So if I go to my app, and now you can see certain things are already been created. For example, my app, the basic file that is very necessary is manage.py, which manages your whole project of my app in Django. So to launch my app, all I need to do is I have to write python manage.py and then run server to launch my application. So you can see my application has been successfully launched. So in order to view my application in browser, I have to copy this path and I have to go to Chrome, and all I need is paste this URL here of my localhost. Now you can see my app is launched, and if you wish to see the admin page of this site, it has been also automatically created. Now I have done certain things in this. Now what I want to do is I want to add, if you can see the beauty of this Python is for example, if I wish to create the dynamic website, as I earlier said, now you can see I have only 5 profiles on my website, but if I wish to add another profile, then all I need to do is I have to add just faculty detail. For example, I wish to add another entry. You can choose any image from anywhere. For example, if I have images, maybe I want to select this image designation. I select designation, whatever the designation of the faculty member is. And so on. You can put as many details as you want, and in last I want where you want to see this profile to be appearing on your web browser. So for example, I say it should appear at last. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Okay, we got an error, and the error is it's an invalid email address. I have also put validation in this. For example, I say this is the email address. Now I have to again choose the photo, and let me select this one. So we have photo now, and all fields are defined. So I'm going to hit save, and Now you can see if I refresh, now if I refresh this page, if I refresh this page, you will see, you can see the profile of Engineer Abdul Rakib automatically added on your website. Now if you wish to see the further details, you can see the automatic dynamic page has been created for this profile. So Django is very good application for dynamic websites. So if you want more videos on Django, then let us know in the comment section and we will create videos for your help. So I'm going to stop it here.